In this video, you are going to learn about the perpendicular from the center of the circle. So let's begin. Theorem. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord divide the chord into two equal halves. In order to prove this theorem, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a circle. So as you can see, this is my circle with center C. I'm considering 2 points A and B, and if I connect 2 points A and B, I will get a chord which is chord AB. Let's drop a perpendicular from point C to chord AB, and if I do that, I will draw a line CP which is perpendicular to AB. So basically what I'm saying that CP is perpendicular to AB. Let's connect point C with point B. So I will get a triangle CPB which is a right angle at point P. So I can say that it's given that AB is the chord and CP is the perpendicular from the center to the chord AB. And if CP is the perpendicular from the center to the chord AB, then AP is equal to BP. So I can write AP is equal to BP. In other words, we can say that if we draw a perpendicular from the center to any chord of the circle, then that perpendicular will divide the chord into equal halves, which simply means that point P is the midpoint of chord AB. Let's consider the next theorem. This theorem is the converse of the previous theorem, and the theorem states that if the line drawn from the center of the circle to the chord divides the chord into two equal halves, then it is perpendicular to the chord of the circle. In order to prove this theorem, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a circle. So this is my circle with center C. As you can see that AV is the chord and CP is a line that divides the chord AB into two equal halves, which is AP is equal to VP. So we can write that it's given that AV is the chord and CP is the line drawn from the center to the chord AB. It is given that AP is equal to BP, so we can say that CP is perpendicular to AB. In other words, we can say that if we connect the midpoint of a chord with the center of the circle, then that line will be the perpendicular to the chord of the circle. Now let's consider the next theorem. So the next theorem is only one circle can be drawn from three non-collinear points. In other words, we can say that if we consider any 3 point on the plane and if we draw a circle, then there will be only one circle that will pass through all the 3 points, which is basically the unique condition for three non-collinear points, which gives us a one unique circle.